Okay, so Jamovi's being weird. Don't know why it happens. Sometimes it does. It's a free program, so there'll be a couple of bugs. Right now, whenever I open Jamovi, it doesn't seem to have any data there. One way I've gotten around that is to go to descriptives and just pop up this data in here. And there's information there. Let me go back to the data. Some of the information came back and some of it didn't. One thing you can do if you want to make sure your data is actually there is to export, like I was just doing. You click on export here, change the data to a CSV, save it. It already exists. I hit just OK. You can actually open that CSV. It'll usually try to open as an Excel document, so your data is all there. And it's just not showing up for whatever reason. But let's say that Jamovi is being weird. Let's say you're having trouble with it. Let's say whatever's going on. I'm always more than happy to work with you on a Zoom call or if you email me. But for the purposes of this class, we are generally going to be working with sample data that Jamovi provides. So where can we get that? I'm going to go through these 3 lines, open, data library, and Jamovi starts you off with these 4 data sets for free. And there's a bunch of free stuff for Jamovi. Okay, there we go. And cool. Okay, so for whatever reason, the data just wasn't showing up unless we scrolled around. So let me just try that again. If we open it, still empty, scroll down, scroll back up, there's the data. Okay, great. Thanks, Jamovi, you're being funny. But anyway, so here's your sample data, and there is actually more data that you can get for free if you want more practice. If you go to analyses, modules, Jamovi library, there are extra little like plugins or apps that you can get for Jamovi. So the ones that give you data are these R data sets and LSJ data. There's actually a free textbook called Learning Statistics with Jamovi. So you go to available, you find LSJ data. There's a big long list of free stuff that you can use with Jamovi. Might not be in this list because it's already installed, but you'll find it in this list. You hit install and it installs itself. If you want to work with that free Jamovi textbook, you click that button, it'll get you there. The R datasets provides more information, and they work like folders would. So you go to open, data library, you can click on them and open up your data set. Jamovi's being weird, but the data is actually there. A lot of people get stuck here because they no longer see the original data. So if you do this, to get back to the original data set, you want to click this up arrow, and there's the original data set that we were working with. Okay, and so that should set you up for the first activity as well as the next videos. Thank you and take care.